Okay, the big reveal. I'm very nervous. Let's see how it turned out. And yes, I'm in painting shorts. At least I changed my shirt, right? So this took me all day yesterday to do. I figured I would paint a headboard, and when Jason and I were kind of measuring it out, I wanted it up a little higher than a traditional headboard. Okay. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Uh-oh. I don't want to peel it too quick. Almost there, almost there. How many of you guys have stenciled? I would love to see your creations. Okay. So thank you for joining me at 5-Min Makeover. I know I have not been very active lately with my makeup business. In order for me to mentally survive this quarantine, I have put my focus in redoing my entire house. It has been a very fun process, but it is taking a while. Okay, ready? Oh, I see a couple of runny colors. Ta-da! What do you think? I love it. I love it. So there you have it. That part's done, and I'm now going to, I'm on selfie mode. See that disaster behind me? Once the Vietnam vets are doing pickups again, they're going to get probably half that, because now I'm going to paint my closet and gut it. I love you all. I miss you. Talk to you later. Bye.